On 5th of November, with over 14 contestants, Karbi Artist Forum, Nilip Province started the audition round for the first ever Inter Nilip Singing Competition 2022 at Chokihola Open Stage under Nilip constituency. With a vision to empower the music enthusiasts of Nilip constituency, Karbi Artist Forum, Nilip Province organized the audition round of first ever Inter Nilip Singing Competition 2022 at Chokihola Open Stage on 5th November. One of the judges, while speaking to us, informed that more than 14 participants had auditioned at Chokihola Open Stage. The next audition would take place at Koilamati Community Hall on 7th of November. All the participants were very talented, and hence many promising singers would turn up in the days to come.
So program nilitum kepatir people na thege lalo dagatum nilip awards tame lun kilun ase jumisen tumdu lasi alangatum kachepaklangi a platform ave lasi nilitum committee pen mathapon si ini tarik ko abangke first audition nilitum pangcheng ponlo.
The results were not declared yet, and the judges of the first ever Inter Nilip Singing Competition 2022 at Chokihola Open Stage were Nika Togbepi, Rupjilin Bepi, and Matthew Rongpi. The selected participants for the next round of first ever Inter Nilip Singing Competition 2022 would be declared right after the conclusion of audition round at Daegru Mathoy on 7th November. Civilians of Nilip constituency lauds the organizer, Karbi Artist Forum, Nilip Province, for providing such platforms to showcase their talents.
So akung sai along nilitum kang sai pon long along ke ning arong pik ning sam pik atheke alang hitum jumesen la poson alun mithang alam alun positame praben exam alun alam tamin hitum phan parju pon long nilitum la poson sing sai pon long lo kang sai pon ateng pulutang te alang hitum abang putin sitami alang hitum aprang anathu kengkam kachijor pon long bom dia phat ning the pon do.
Sanjay Cross report from Chokihola for Karbi Live.